या अभी अभी सब करते हैं, अभी सब हो रहा है। सुरेंद्र जी प्लीज, सब आपका सब दिखाएंगे अभी। राजीव प्लीज म्यूट कर दो। ओके, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी।
Good evening.
Good
Dear
evening, very good
members
evening.
of the Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City, a very, very good evening to you all. And tonight we get together for our final fellowship of the present term. And I must compliment our president, Mrs. Nabha, who despite the unprecedented and most depressing of times, had one inspiration for us, that the show must go on and we must all keep our faces with a big smile. So the
Ditto.
Sunita ji, you're on mute.
I don't know. Oh, Rajiv got me muted. Acha, what did you last hear from me?
That we should all be there.
Go on.
Okay. So I was saying that tonight we get together for our final fellowship, and I must compliment our president, Mrs. Nabha. She, despite the unprecedented and most depressing of times, had one inspiration for all of us, and that was that the show must go on, and that we must all keep our faces on with a big smile. So thank you, President Nabha. And the fellowship this evening is a unique one, as we all get together to celebrate the talents of our friends and buddies from our club. And we realize what a talented bunch of folks we all are in this club. So we begin first with showing you a short video on the program, which was held at the residence of Mrs. Nabha, which was the flagging off of the ambulance dedicated to Gurdwara Singh Sabha, Pushp Vihar by our Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City. This was done yesterday, that is on the 25th of June.
Good show. Ravina. Jolly good.
That was a very proud moment collectively for all of us. Thank you very much, the club, our Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City. Thank you very much, everybody, for bringing us these lovely, lovely moments.
This was a very proud moment, no doubt about it. Really, all thanks to the wonderful members who came so generously forward to donate, and that's what happened. That's what happened.
Thank you, President Ji. So next we have a surprise number, which is a happy birthday played on the mouth organ by Dr. Yash Gulati for Rotarian Anita Bharadwaj as we celebrate her birthday today.
Happy birthday. God bless you. Be
Thank
happy
you so
always.
much.
Thank you. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Jyoti?
Yeah, I'm there. So go ahead.
Yeah, you want to make the next.
I think the next is Nabha ma'am, right? So
Yes.
aren't you doing it, Suniti?
Okay. So
Anisha,
now I call upon President Mrs. Nabha to sing her Shabad. Mrs.
Can I-
Nabha, Shabad, please.
Anita,
Yes.
can I say a few lines to Anita for her birthday? Anita, happy birthday. अरे बाद दिन ये आए
Can't hear very clearly.
दिन ये आए बार दिन आए जियो आरज़ू Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday to
dear
you.
Anita.
Happy
Yeah.
birthday to you.
Thank you. What a lovely club we have.
Yeah.
Thank you so very much.
But अनीता हजारों साल जो जियो ना गुड हेल्थ के साथ जियो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Sandeep, we discussed that this morning.
We did.
Okay, so now can we have the Shabad, please?
आधे घंटे में वो दे ठंडा इसको एक फ्रीजर में
Tudh bin मित्र प्यारेनु यारड़े दासनु सतर जंगा यारड़े दा यारड़े दा यारड़े दा यारड़े दा सानू सतर जंगा भटखेड़िया दा रहना भटखेड़िया दा रहना मित्र प्यारेनु मित्र प्यारेनु हाल मुरीदां दा कहना हाल मुरीदां दा कहना मित्र प्यारेनु मित्र प्यारेनु बहुत बढ़िया
So beautiful and so very melodious. Our very president, our very own president, Rani Sahiba. Thank you so much for such a wonderful start. Thank you, thank you.
I would like to talk on the echo of life.
Yeah.
Can I give a talk?
Yeah. Okay. So now we have. Sorry, I couldn't hear you clearly. What is it that you're saying?
I'm Amrit Dhingra.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would like to talk on the echo of life.
Okay.
So
Would
can
you
I
like?
talk? Can I
Okay.
talk?
No,
Right now, would you like to?
Amritji, your turn will come a little later.
Yeah.
Just
We'll
a-
call you.
We know
We'll
you.
call
we know
your
you.
name
We'll
later.
Put your name. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so since we are in this, a little bit of a spiritual tone, let's have another bhajan, which is our very own Mandakini and her daughter Sanvi is going to sing. So let's have the bhajan, please.
जय जय देवी सरसर सारे कुशजित शोभित मुक्ताहारे वीणा रंजित पुस्तक हस्ते भगवती भारती देवी नमस्ते। सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षी विद्यां देहि नमस्तुते। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं। तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं। बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं। माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं। गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं।
Beautiful. That was really, really nice. Thank you so much, Mandakini, and your daughter also beautifully sung. Thanks a lot. Let's change the tone now.
Thank you, Mandakini. So now we invite Ajay Verma to please give us his surprise item.
Yes.
You mean he's an item number? Okay.
The multi-talented Ajay Verma on the scene. Tan, tan, tan.
I'd actually decided that I will surprise you all with an item number with a belly dance. But then Sandeep said that he had a bigger belly, so he would take that credit, so I'll leave it for him. But what I want to share with you today is a very famous poem of Iqbal, which I like a lot, and I think you all will also. उसका नाम है परिंदे की फरियाद। एक कैद हुआ परिंदा क्या फरियाद करता है। आता है याद मुझको वो गुजरा हुआ जमाना, वो बाग की बहारें वह सबका चहचहाना। आजादियां कहां वो अब अपने घोंसले की, अपनी खुशी से आना, अपनी खुशी से जाना। लगती है चोट दिल पर, आता है याद जिस दम, शबनम के आंसुओं पर कलियों का मुस्कुराना। वो प्यारी प्यारी सूरत, वो कामनी सी मूरत, आबाद जिसके दम से था मेरा आशियाना, आती नहीं सदाएं उसकी मेरे कस में, कस से पिंजरा, आती नहीं सदाएं उसकी मेरे कस में, होती मेरी रिहाई है काश मेरे बस में। क्या बदनसीब हूं मैं घर को तरस रहा हूं, साथी तो हैं वतन में, मैं कैद में पड़ा हूं। आई बहार कलियां फूलों की हंस रही हैं, मैं इस अंधेरे घर में किस्मत को रो रहा हूं। इस कैद का इलाही दुखड़ा किसे सुनाऊं, डर है यहीं कस में मैं गम से मर न जाऊं। जब से चमन छुटा है ये हाल हो गया है, दिल गम को खा रहा है, गम दिल को खा रहा है। गाना इसे समझकर खुश हो न सुनने वाले, दुखते हुए दिलों की फरियाद ये सदा है। आजाद मुझको कर दे ओ कैद करने वाले, मैं बेज़बां हूं कैदी तू छोड़ कर दुआ ले। I like it. I hope you liked it too.
बहुत
Very
सुंदर, बहुत खूब, बहुत अच्छे,
Very
very nice.
And since
Well
this was
done.
on a somber mood, this was on a somber mood, which is not usually associated with me. In deference to Yash Gulati and in the absence of Dalip Trivedi, I will finish with a share. Though it is ascribed to Ghalib, I don't think वो गालिब का है। तो शेर ये है, गम इतने दिए तेरे इश्क ने जालिम। अब इसका एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट है। A jilted lover is standing outside the door of his माशूका। वो उसको घास भी नहीं डालती, बट वो रोज उसके घर के बाहर पहुंच जाता है। तो आज भी पहुंच गया। So but then बड़ी देर खड़ा था, he had to answer a call of nature। तो जाते जाते कुछ सुना के तो जाऊंगा। तो इस तरह बोला कि गम इतने दिए हैं तेरे इश्क ने जालिम, आंसू भी निकलते हैं जगह बदल बदल कर।
Very nice. Beautiful.
That's a real affair, right?
Thank you, Ajay. Lovely.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Now we'd like to invite Dr. Kavita to, sing a song for us, and we are looking forward to that very much.
बातें निहारे
Beautiful. I didn't know, Dr. Kavita, I thought you were only, I mean, you spoke so well every time. Never knew that you sang so beautifully.
Amazing.
I was thinking, let's change the mood again, Jyoti, and
Yes.
let's invite our Admiral Khurana. I think Rajiv, what is the sound coming? Can you mute everybody? Because I think then we can make out that. Yeah. So Rajiv, can you show that little document that I had sent you? Are you ready with it? Otherwise, we can go to our. Otherwise, we can go to the next program.
I'm just trying to share.
Okay, okay. Otherwise, we could go over to some humor. Otherwise.
I thought you were going to say we are going to go to the next item, boy.
We'll say that. We'll say that for you,
now
Yash.
I'm not going to say it.
We are going.
Now I'm not going to say it because everybody will start saying that my belly is bigger than yours. Yeah. So okay. So now what we can otherwise do is let's go over to Geeti in London and let's have some London humor. So Geeti, out with your London humor. You're there?
Yeah, she's just unmuted herself.
Sound, if I may ask, is it possible to get rid of it?
There's some disturbance from somebody. Please, everybody should mute.
Please mute everybody.
Oh, yeah, that's great. That's great. Give me 1 sec. Just give me a moment. Okay, everybody, it's of course my turn. As some of you may have noticed, my mom is also on, which is very unusual. I'm so happy. I haven't seen her for ages and ages, other than on video, of course. With your permission, may I just ask her to say hello and share something during my time allotted to me? Is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Hey, Mom.
Thank you very much for letting me put in a few words. I must compliment Suhinder ji and the team for a superb activities that have been going on despite this horrible time that we've all gone through. But the crowning thing was the handing over of the ambulance yesterday. I must pay my that one is so happy that this club is doing all the right things, and all the members are standing by the president all the way, and that is all.
Mom, did you share something on the screen?
We need to turn screen sharing on.
Okay, is that on now?
Mom has
Could someone help turn the screen sharing on, please? Yes.
Rajiv, just allow Auntie to screen share.
It's allowed.
Mom has a 30-second poem, not even 30, 20-second, which is so cute.
Okay.
Yes, Geeti. So would you like to say? Geeti?
Is this cannot?
Jyoti, the disturbance is coming from your mic.
But I'm sitting in a very quiet room.
No, I know, but there is some problem with your mic.
Mute yourself, it will get okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Devin, maybe you can just show it through the camera instead of screen shares. That's not working.
Okay, just a second.
This is too cute to miss. Otherwise, I would not insist. In today's day, to me, it's the perfect thing.
All right, can you guys see?
Yes, we can.
Smiling. Smiling is infectious. You catch it like the flu. When someone smiled at me today, I started smiling too. I passed around the corner and someone saw me grin. When he smiled, I realized I had passed it on to him. I thought about the smile and realized its worth. A single smile like mine could travel round the earth. So if you see a smile begin, don't leave it undetected. Let's start an epidemic quick and get the world infected.
Okay, guys. So after the smile, now we're going to go to laughter. With the permission of the Sikhs in our group, who Sikhs always have the greatest sense of humor and can laugh at themselves. So I take the liberty of telling you about this Sardar who was in London, and he went to a new pub and then he ordered 3 drinks. So 1, then he said, "Utte rakho ek." So another glass was put there and another glass was put. So the pub owner, after a while, notices Sardar is having 1 sip from 1 glass. Badhiya. Then he reaches across, takes a sip from the next glass. Then a bit later, a sip from the next glass. So pub owner is thoroughly confused. And he says, Sardar then finishes all the drinks and says, "Another round, please." So pub owner happily brings another round. Then he says, "Sir, I'm a little bit curious. Why do you order 3 different beers and you're drinking them all as though you're in company?" So Sardar says to the pub owner, "Oh, you don't understand. I have 2 brothers and they are back in Punjab and I miss them very much. So I've come to your pub and I've ordered their favorite beers and I'm pretending they are with me and I'm going to drink with them." Oh, pub owner says, "I understand now." So Sardarji shows up every couple of days, has those 3 drinks with his brothers, and all is very fine. One day he comes and he says to the pub owner, "May I have 2 drinks, please?" So pub owner puts 2 drinks, and the Sardar then drinks 1 sip, another sip. By now, the pub owners become very fond of this gentleman. And he feels very bad. He comes up to him. He says, "Sir, I don't want to intrude on your grief, but, have you lost someone?" Sardar says, "Oh, no, not at all. It's me who's given up drinking."
Good.
Hilarious. That was some nice London pub humor. Thanks a lot, Geeti.
Sunita, before you continue,
Yeah.
can we take this moment to raise our glass to our founder president?
Yes.
In his memory, it is because of him that we are enjoying this club and we'll always remember him.
Yes.
Cheers to
Absolutely.
Mr. Manmohan
Cheers.
Bhagat, to our founder
Yes,
president.
yes.
Yes, to uncle.
Thank you so much, Ajay. Thank you for raising the toast. Thank you.
I
So now
guess
we go on to, yes, Jyoti?
Yeah. Now we would like to invite Dr. Bali to sing a song for us. Thank you so much for everything that you've done, in these difficult months, and you've also gone through a very difficult time, but you're now back in action, hale and hearty. So over to you, Dr. Bali.
जगह ले चल जहाँ कोई न हो, ऐ दिल मुझे ऐसी जगह ले चल जहाँ कोई न हो, अपना पराया मेहरबाना, मेहरबान कोई न हो, अपना पराया मेहरबान कोई न हो, ऐ दिल मुझे ऐसी जगह ले चल जहाँ कोई न हो, अपना पराया मेहरबाना, मेहरबान कोई न हो, अपना पराया मेहरबाना, मेहरबान कोई न हो, अपना पराया मेहरबाना, मेहरबान कोई जगह ले चल जहाँ कोई न हो। जाकर कहीं खो जाऊं मैं, नींद आए और सो जाऊं मैं, नींद आए और सो जाऊं मैं। जाकर कहीं खो जाऊं मैं, नींद आए और सो जाऊं मैं, नींद आए और सो जाऊं मैं। दुनिया मुझे ढूंढे मगर मेरा निशान कोई न हो। दुनिया मुझे ढूंढे मगर मेरा निशान कोई न हो। उल्फत का बदला मिल गया, वो गम लुटा वो दिल गया, वो गम लुटा वो दिल गया। उल्फत का बदला मिल गया, वो गम लुटा वो दिल गया, वो गम लुटा वो दिल गया। चलना है सबसे दूर दूर अब, कारवां कोई न हो। चलना है सबसे दूर दूर अब, कारवां कोई न हो। ऐ दिल मुझे ऐसी जगह ले चल।
अच्छा बोल देना।
Beautiful, Dr. Bali, that was really nice.
Very nice.
Very, very nice.
So now let us have some saxophone from Dr. Gulati.
From our very sexy Dr. Yash.
Yes.
ऐसा मत बोलो कोई मैं मान ही ना जाऊं बात को।
But सामने तो हो नहीं, but चलो बोल सकते।
Dr. Bali, you are brilliant. I mean, I didn't know you sang, and this was absolutely smashing. I mean, next time you have to sit and listen to all the songs that you sing. You know, thank you very much. It was wonderful. तो अजय, तुम तो पता नहीं कहाँ आंसू निकलवाते हो लोगों के। इंडिया में तो कोई कंट्रोल ही नहीं है, आप जानते हो। तो मेरे को इससे पहले कि मैं सैक्सोफोन बजाऊं एज माय ट्रेडमार्क, आई विल जस्ट रिसाइट अ कपल ऑफ शेर इफ यू परमिट मी। कि दोस्त इकट्ठे हुए हैं तो दो तीन मैं अशार दोस्ती पे कहना चाहूंगा कि जिंदगी नाम है अहदे सोहबते अहबाब का, ये नहीं यारो तो जीना ही क्या जीना है। कि जिंदगी में अगर अच्छे दोस्त नहीं है तो फिर जीने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। लेकिन जब अच्छे दोस्त हों तो आजकल जैसे कोरोना का दौर आ जाए तो फिर यही कहना पड़ता है कि मुलाकातें जरूरी हैं, अगर दोस्ती निभानी हो साकी, लगाकर भूल जाने से अक्सर पौधे भी सूख जाते हैं। सो आई एम सो ग्लैड यू हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड दिस एंड वी फ्रेंड्स आर मीटिंग अगेन। और हमारे इतने अच्छे इनमें दोस्त हैं और इन सबको देखकर कभी जब हम इनसे मिलते हैं तो मुझे बड़ी अपने आप पे खुशी होती है कि, और मैं फिर एक दिन मैंने कहा खुदा से कि क्या खूब दोस्त मिले, क्या खूब मैंने किस्मत पाई है। और खुदा ने हंसकर कहा ये मेरी पसंद है, इन्हें संभाल के रख जो तेरे हिस्से में आई है। सो थैंक्स फॉर दिस।
बहुत बढ़िया।
तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं अपनी बीवी की पूंछ पकड़ के आप लोगों से मिल लेता हूँ। द प्रोवर्बियल पूंछ, कहते हैं पूंछ, मैं उसकी पूंछ ही हूँ वैसे जिंदगी में भी, और यही सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है।
कहते हैं ना, भागते हाथी की पूंछ भी बहुत है हाथ में आना।
तो मैं अभी देखो, पहले ही मैं वो होता है, जो आप तो लॉयर हैं अजय और बाकी लोग भी हैं, एक डिस्क्लेमर पहले ही दे देता आदमी कि मैं पब्लिकली परफॉर्म नहीं करता हूँ। सो
वी नो दैट वेयर यू परफॉर्म।
नो नो नो, यू डोंट नो दैट। तो मेरे को शेर याद आ गया आपकी बात से, इस बात से शेर याद आपको नहीं मालूम कि इस दुनिया में आए हो तो कुछ ऐसा कर जाओ कदरदान कि जिस गली से भी गुजरो तो आवाज आए अब्बा जान।
अब्बा जान। वही कह रहे।
तो ये मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। अब इतने अच्छे आर्टिस्ट ने गाया, मैं थोड़ा टू बी ऑनेस्ट ए बिट नर्वस।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
एक भजन सुना देता हूँ।
Jayant Saab is very happy that you are playing a bhajan.
Yes. कौन? ये कॉलेज टाइम पे कुछ कोड वर्ड और हुआ करता था भजन। लेकिन अब क्या करें, सच्चाई सामने। Thank you.
Very nice, very nice.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Jyoti?
Yeah.
Jyoti, who's next
Thank
now?
Our
Very
next is our Pranav ji. Can we have your song?
You mean to say Lord? You mean to say Lord Pranav Ranade? Oh.
Yes.
No, Lord
The Lord Ranade ji, right? So
Lord Prashant ji.
Lord Ranade is Prashant.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then I'm going all wrong then.
Calling you the Lord Ranade. Lord Ranade father. Lord Ranade's father.
डरे ये जाम भरे भरे जरा पीने दो, कल की किसको खबर, एक रातों के निडर, मुझे जीने दो। रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिलवर। रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिलवर, और तुझसे हंसी, और तुझसे हंसी तेरा प्यार। तू जाने ना ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो, ये नयन डरे डरे। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम भी। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम भी। मैं मान भी लूं, मैं मान भी लूं कभी हार, तू माने ना ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो, कल की किसको खबर, एक रात होके निडर, मुझे जीने दो।
Very nice, Pranavji. Beautifully sung. Beautiful.
Beautiful. But don't
बहुत बढ़िया।
Anita, don't you think कि ये गाना का जो पहला लाइन है, ये नयन डरे डरे can never ever be for Amita?
पता नहीं किसके लिए गा रहे थे।
वो पहली लाइन, बाकी लाइनें I can imagine, but not the first line.
He can't say that. He's flanked by both Amita and Anita.
Yes. So दोनों तरफ से वो that first line is for Vinod.
Yeah, Vinod ji is bringing up the rear, na?
ये नयन डरे डरे तो विनोद जी के लिए है।
भाई सारी families here, you see.
Yes. So I see. आप लोगों ने बड़ी जल्दी scene बदल ली। Okay. So I think now can we, Rajiv, have that small little incident which I think Admiral Saab would like to narrate? You know, this I had happened to see at Admiral Khurana ji's house one day, and then I told them that you must say just a few words about this. Admiral साहब आप बताओ ये क्या है? We just saw you, Admiral साहब. He's there, no, Rajiv?
He's there. He's mute. Somebody has to unmute him.
Admiral साहब unmute अपने आप को करो जी.
अरे राजीव कर देगा ना.
Sir, I don't have the access.
वो उन्होंने अपने से भी किया होगा ना. चलो.
राजीव सबकी बोलती बंद कर सकते हैं, बोलती चालू नहीं कर सकते.
अच्छा राजीव, then should we come again? आप उनको फोन करके तैयार करा लेना, okay? ठीक है? So we'll come to our next. We'll come to the next one. So okay, I think Jyoti, then in our next we had. I couldn't say Pradeep Verma anywhere.
Yeah, Pradeep Verma's song. Yes. So we welcome Pradeep's song now.
Hi friends, today I'm going to sing a song from a very old film, Padausan, sung by the legendary Kishore Kumar. कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो, तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार. कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो, तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार. तुमसे कहने वाली और भी हैं प्यारी बातें, तुमसे कहने वाली और भी हैं प्यारी बातें. सामने सबके बोलो कैसे कह दूं सारी बातें. आज मगर बस इतना ही करना है इकरार, तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार. कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो, तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार. कब से दिल ने मेरे मान लिया है तुमको अपना, कब से दिल ने मेरे मान लिया है तुमको अपना. आंखें मेरी देख रही हैं जागते सोते ये सपना, मेरे गले में डाल रही हो तुम बाहों का हार, तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार. कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार.
Lovely singing. Very nice. Very
Thank
nice.
God, पहली दफा आप भी
Thank you
अपने
very
मुंह
much.
से आपने कोई rattle off figures नहीं किए and you came out with melody. Thank you. Yes, Jyoti, over to you now.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. And now let's invite our very own Mrs. Dhingra to share. She, there was something that she wanted to share, so that's a surprise for all of us. So, Dhingra ma'am, can I request you to please share? Would you like to unmute yourself, please? Kindly unmute yourself. Mrs. Dhingra, we are not able to hear you. You need to unmute yourself. Mrs. Dhingra, we are not able to hear you.
I suggest you ask Rajiv to call her.
Rajiv, can you unmute her?
Or Rajiv, we can maybe we can see the next program in the meantime, and then Rajiv can. Although I had informed her just now, but I think there was some.
Okay.
So Rajiv,
Okay, Mrs.
can we have
Dhingra,
the next program?
Yeah, let's have. So we have a dance performance from Sita's niece.
Yeah.
So let's
So
have
we
the dance performance. That will kind of change the mood a little bit.
Yeah.
And we'll come back to you, Mrs. Dhingra. We need to unmute you somehow, and so we'll do that. We'll kind of work on it. So let's have the dance, please.
Will Sita be joining the dance?
Well, Sita, please answer that. I don't know.
So this is a performance by Shloka. She's also a lawyer, gone really taken after her very talented aunt. Shloka is Sita's niece.
यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी रारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निहुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी रारा तद्दिङ्गिन्नता यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी रारा तद्दिङ्गिन्नता यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी रारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निहुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी रारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निहुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी रारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निहुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी रारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निहुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निमुरार यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निमुरार यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निमुरारा 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 यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी निमुरारा 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 यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निमुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निमुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निमुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र स्वामी यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र निमुरारा यदुवंशसुधा बुधिचन्द्र.
Very nice.
Yeah. So great. That was wonderful. Very, very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you
And
so
she
much.
has those beautiful, Sita, Vedalingam features and really beautiful, beautiful young girl.
Now, would you like to hear a
Yes,
little
yes.
article from my side?
Yes.
Acha.
Yes, very
The article is The Echo of Life. Can you follow? Echo of Life.
Yeah, sure, we can hear you.
A man and his son were walking in the forest. Suddenly the boy trips and feeling a sharp pain, he screams, "Ah!" Surprised, he hears a voice coming from the mountains. "Ah!" Filled with curiosity, he screams, "Who are you?" But the only answer he receives is, "Who are you?" This makes him angry. So he screams, "You are coward." And the voice answers, "You are a coward." He looks at his father, asking, "Dad, what's going on?" "Son," the man replies, "pay attention." Then he screams, "I admire you." The voice answers, "I admire you." The father shouts, "You are wonderful." And the voice answers, "You are wonderful." The boy is surprised but still can't understand what's going on. Then the father explains, "People call this echo, but truly it is life. Life always gives you back what you give out. Life is a mirror of actions. If you want more love, give more love. If you want more, give more kindness, give more kindness. If you want understanding and respect, give understanding and respect. If you want people to be patient and respectful to you, give patience and respect. This rule of nature applies to every aspect of our lives. Life always gives you back what you give up. Life is not a coincidence, but a mirror of your doings. Done.
Excellent. That was amazing. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
There is always so much to learn from you. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful, beautiful. You were one of the first members I remember going to your house and spending time with you. So it's always been a, I have kind of
an
a
open house.
bonding with you.
Still
I
come
will.
with us
I mean,
on.
this whole year has been so terrible. So now I'm going to invite our multifaceted, multi-talented, our very dear Sunita to share a poem with us. Aaiye Thanedarni ji, your turn now.
Yeah. I won't have too much. I have soup also. Yeah.
Sunita.
Sunita, unmute yourself.
Sunita, now you need to unmute yourself.
She is really not a modernite.
किथे गई?
एक कोलंबियंस का असर दिखता है कहीं पर।
लग रहा है चुप हो गई है। सुनीता अनम्यूट कर ले भाई।
सुनीता, where are you?
सबसे पहले मेरे को राजीव म्यूट कर देता है। मैं बोल रही होती हूँ तो मुझे म्यूट कर देता है।
अरे दलीप तुमको म्यूट नहीं कर पाया, राजीव की क्या जरूरत तुम्हें म्यूट कर देगा?
Exactly.
अजय आप तो म्यूट हो जाओ।
We should clap for Rajiv also sometimes.
So here I go. So dear members, actually, I was thinking that everybody is so good with, English poetry, with Bollywood Hindi songs, now with ghazals, and now we heard so much of shero shairi in Urdu. So I realized actually it is Hindi and Hindi poetry, which is really becoming so outdated. And I'm such a Hindi poetry fan. So during this lockdown, I had an occasion to revisit my favorite Hindi author and his epic poem. And I had read this first when I was in school. I had higher Hindi, and the author is Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, and his poem is Rashmi Rathi. So in school, I had only read the part 1 of the poem, and now I went through the entire poem. It is an epic based on Mahabharata. And it is basically about Karan. Karan is the hero. I'm sure everybody will be familiar with Mahabharata and Karan. So parts 6 and 7, they are my favorite, as they reveal that, how people are now gray people. They are not black and white as it was in Ramayana. So now in this, even God is gray, because everybody adjusts to his action as per the need of the hour. I have memorized this part and shall attempt to recite it as fast as I can. So this is the time when the wheel of Karan's chariot gets stuck in the battleground, and he gets down to pull it out. And Lord Krishna that time asks Arjun to slay his enemy Karan, because he knows that Karan is so powerful a warrior that he would kill Arjun. But how could Krishna let his most favorite devotee, who is Arjun, to get into harm? So even God compromises. And here Arjun is addressed as Parth, and Karan is Radhe, and Lord Krishna is Narochit. So that is how everybody is over here. So the poem goes like this. Sharasan taan, bas afsar yahi hai, घड़ी फिर और मिलने की नहीं है, विषिक कोई गले के पार कर दे, अभी ही शत्रु का संहार कर दे. श्रवण कर विश्व गुरु की देशना ये, विजय के हेतु आतुर एशना ये, सहम उठा जरा कुछ पार्थ का मन, विनय में ही मगर बोला अकिंचन. नरोचित, किंतु क्या ये कर्म होगा, मलिन इससे नहीं क्या धर्म होगा. हंसे केशव, वृथा हठ ठानता है, अभी तो धर्म को क्या जानता है. कहूं जो पाल इसको, धर्म है ये, हनन कर शत्रु का सत्कर्म है ये. क्रिया को छोड़ चिंतन में फंसेगा, मिट कर काल तुझको ही ग्रसेगा. भला क्यों पार्थ काला हार होता, वृथा ही चिंतना का भार ढोता. सभी दायित्व हरि पर डाल करके मिली जो शिष्टि उसको पाल करके लगा राधे को शर मारने में, विपद में शत्रु को संहारने में, शरों से बेधने तन को बदन को, दिखाने वीरता निशस्त्र जन को। विषिक संधान में अर्जुन निरत था, खड़ा राधे निसंभल विरत था। खड़े निर्वाक सब जन देखते थे, अनोखे धर्म का रंग देखते थे। नहीं जब पार्थ को देखा सुधरते, हृदय में धर्म का टुक ध्यान धरते, समय के योग्य धीरज को संजोकर कहा राधे ने गंभीर होकर, नरोचित धर्म से कुछ काम तो लो, बहुत खेले जरा विश्राम तो लो। फंसे रथ चक्र को जब तक निकालूं, धनुष धारण करूं, प्रहरण संभालूं, रुको तब तक चलाना बाण फिर तुम, हरण कर ना सको तो प्राण फिर तुम। नहीं अर्जुन शरण मैं मांगता हूं, समर्थित धर्म से रण मांगता हूं। कलंकित नाम मत अपना करो तुम, हृदय में ध्यान इसका भी धरो तुम। विजेतन की घड़ी भर की दमक है, इसी संसार तक इसकी चमक है। भुवन की जीत मिटती है भुवन में, उसे क्या खोजना गिरकर पतन में। शरण केवल उजागर धर्म होगा, सहारा अंत में सत्कर्म होगा। उपस्थित देख यो न्यायार्थ अरि को, अर्जुन saw that his enemy is pleading for justice before him. निहारा पार्थ ने हो खिन्न हरि को, मगर भगवान किंचित भी ना डोले। कुपित हो वज्र से ये बात बोले, प्रलापी ओ उजागर धर्म वाले, बड़ी निष्ठा बड़े सत्कर्म वाले। मरा अन्याय से अर्जुन अभिमन्यु जिस दिन, कहां पर सो रहा था धर्म उस दिन। हलाहल भीम पर जिस दिन पड़ा था, कहां पर धर्म ये उस दिन धरा था। लगी थी आग जब लाक्षा भवन में, हंसा था धर्म ही तब क्या भुवन में। सभा में द्रौपदी को खींच लाकर, सुयोधन की उसे दासी बताकर, सुआमा जाति का आदर किया जो, बहुत सत्कार तुम सबने किया जो। नहीं वे और कुछ सत्कर्म ही था, उजागर शील भूषित धर्म ही था। जुए में हार कर धनधाम जिस दिन, हुए पांडव यति निष्काम जिस दिन। चले वनवास को तब धर्म था वह, शकुनियों का नहीं अब कर्म था वह। अवधि कर पूर्ण जब लेकिन फिरे वे, असल में धर्म से ही थे गिरे वे। शिथिल कर पार्थ किंचित भी ना मानतु, ना धर्मा धर्म में पड़ भीरु बनतु। वक्ष को शर्मार इसको, चढ़ा शायक तुरंत संहार इसको। हंसा राधे हाँ अब देर भी क्या, सुशोभन कर्म में अब शेर भी क्या। कृपया कुछ और दिखलाते नहीं क्यों, सुदर्शन भी उठाते हैं नहीं क्यों। कहा जो आपने सब कुछ सही है, मगर अपनी मुझे चिंता नहीं है। सुयोधन हेतु ही पछता रहा हूं, बिना विजयी बनाए जा रहा हूं। वृथा है पूछना किसने किया क्या, जगत के धर्म को संबल दिया क्या। सुयोधन था खड़ा कल तक जहां पर, न है क्या आज पांडव ही वहां पर। उन्होंने कौन सा आप धर्म छोड़ा, किए से कौन कुछ कर्म छोड़ा। गिनवाऊं क्या, स्वयं सब जानते हैं, जगत गुरु आपको हम मानते हैं। अंधी को बनाकर ढाल अर्जुन, हुआ गांगे का जो काल अर्जुन। नहीं वे और कुछ सत्कर्म ही था, अरे कह दीजिए वे तो धर्म ही था। कथा अभिमन्यु की तो बोलते हैं, नहीं पर भेद ये क्यों खोलते हैं। कुटिल षड्यंत्र से रण से विरत कर, महाबल द्रोण को छल से निहत कर। पतन पर दूर पांडव जा चुके हैं, चतुर्गुण मोल बलि का पा चुके हैं। रहा क्या पुण्य अब भी तोलने को, उठा मस्तक गरज कर बोलने को। और अंत में वृथा है पूछना था दोष किसका, खुला पहले गरल का कोष किसका। जहर अब तो सभी का खुल रहा है, हलाहल से हलाहल धुल रहा है, हलाहल से हलाहल धुल रहा है, हलाहल से हलाहल धुल रहा है। धन्यवाद।
Very nice.
Wow.
Very nice.
Wonderful.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
This is my favorite too. अभी कभी मैं आपको रश्मि रति का वो संवाद सुनाऊंगा कृष्ण और अर्जुन का।
हाँ, वो मैंने अपने वाइवा में किया था, स्कूल में सीबीएसई में मेरा
वो भी जब बच्चों तक बन में घूम घूम वो कभी सुनाऊंगा आपको पूरा।
मैंने सुना हुआ है from Yash, yes. Great, but that was amazing, Sunita. That was really
amazing, really, very nice.
So now finally,
go ahead.
Yeah. So actually no. Before that, would Admiral Saab be again? Is he there and is he unmuted? Would he like to? Otherwise, Jyoti, should we have, I think Pragyan's daughter was very, very keen to give a 1 minute.
Yes, so over to Sanvi. She would like to give us a quick song. So, and I think she's ready. Can we request Mandakini and Sanvi? Are you there? Can we have your
Hi.
song? Yeah, hi. Come.
Hi, this is Sanvi. Are we audible?
Yes, you are. Very clearly.
This is
Very
Sanvi. We're going to sing a beautiful French short song called La Vie en Rose. I hope you like it. Hold me close and hold me fast, the magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in the part of world roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into a love song. Give your heart to me, and life will always be lovely.
Very good.
Unmute yourself.
So, Haji, Khurana ji, aap batao ab now. You wanted to give us a small little anecdote. What was that?
This is about crossing the line, and you landlubbers are probably not aware of it, but Bhardwaj Saab knows about it. This is by the Samudrapati Varuna. He controls the seas. And when a sailor crosses the equator, he has to take his permission to go, say, from north to south or south to north. So I did this in INS Rajput, which I was as an admiral leading to going to Seychelles. And it reads, whereas by royal condescensions, we decree that our trusty and well-beloved Vice Admiral IJS Khurana on this day entered in our domain and has been rightly and duly initiated with all form and ceremony on our subject on board Indian naval ship Rajput. We do hereby charge all sharks, whales, eels, dolphins, gollywogs, pollywogs, etc. to abstain from eating, playing with, or otherwise maltreating this person. And we further direct all sailors and mariners, soldiers, globetrotters, and landlubbers who have not crossed the equator of our royal domain to treat him with respect due to one of our loyal subjects, given at our court at the sea on the equator this first day of June 1984, longitude 61. This is all there is for you landlubbers to know what we have to do at sea when we cross the equator.
Thank you. But Admiral साहब आप ऐसे लैंडलबर बोल रहे हैं तो मुझे लग रहा है बड़ी शर्म कैसे कि हमें पता नहीं हम कौन है.
मैं तो समुद्र वरुणा की आदमी हूँ, मैं लैंडलबर ही बोलूँगा आप लोगों को.
अच्छा. Thank you very much.
मैं वरुण साहब का.
Thank you very much. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
now, on our formal list, this is our final performance for this evening. And again, we wind up by our President Nabaji giving us one can say, you know. One
The
for the
vote of
road
thanks.
song,
Vote
one
of
for
thanks.
the road song.
Very well conducted. Very well conducted. Vote of thanks.
Well done.
Yes.
कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, क्या कहना है, क्या सुनना है, मुझको पता है, तुमको पता है, समय का ये पल थम सा गया है और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो। कितने गहरे हल्के शाम के रंग हैं झलके, पर्वत से यूं उतरे बादल, पर्वत से यूं उतरे बादल, जैसे आंचल ढलके और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो। सुलगी सुलगी सांसें, बहकी बहकी धड़कन, महके महके शाम के साए, महके महके शाम के साए, पिघले पिघले तन मन और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, क्या कहना है, क्या सुनना है, मुझको पता है, तुमको पता है, समय का ये पल थम सा गया है और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो।
Very nice.
Beautiful, beautiful.
बहुत बढ़िया,
हाँ,
बहुत
सोहिंदर जी
बढ़िया,
आपने
excellent.
तो सोहिंदर जी आपने तो हम बच्चों को रुला ही दिया सच्ची आज अभी लास्ट में. And you know, I mean, like I just thought that since we always have Ajay Verma giving a vote of thanks, so I said, why not? क्या कहते हैं, चलते चलते वो एक रस्म तो रखे ही ना अपनी. तो कुछ अजय बोल दें, फिर उसके बाद we will all be free for all, unmuted.
No, I'll just take 1 minute. And in Friends, there is no vote of thanks. It's all of us together. But Sunita, with you as my senior from school and college, when you recall Dinkar, I recall something from school. 9 रस होते हैं हिंदी कविता में, और दिनकर ने काफी लिखा वीर रस में. लेकिन एक पोएट था जो खड़ी बोली में लिखता था, मुसलमान था, और उसने 15th या 16th सेंचुरी में लिखा. एक था, उसने पद्मावत लिखा था, जायसी उसका नाम था. लेकिन एक उसने लिखा था छत्रसाल के ऊपर, मध्य प्रदेश के आसपास कहीं उसकी किंगडम थी. एंड इट इज द एलिटरेशन in Veer Ras which brings out the beauty of Khadi Boli. And I'll just take 30 seconds in reciting one para from that. लाल छितिपाल छत्रसाल महाबाहुबली, कान ला बखान करूं तेरी करवाल को, प्रतिबट कटक कटीला केटी काटी काटी कालिका से किले के कले उदेती काल को. This is what it was. Lal Chitipal, he was son of Chitipal. Lal Chitipal, Chhatrsal Mahabahubali. Chhatrsal, you are such a big, valiant warrior. Kaan la bakhan karu teri karwal ko. How can I describe your karwal, your talwar? Pratibhat. Pratibhat is enemy. Katak kita kali kali. So cuts the heads of the Dushman. Kalika se kile ke kale udeti kal ko. So like Kalika sending him to his ultimate destination. Now with that background, again, लाल छितिपाल छत्रसाल महाबाहुबली, कान ला बखान करूं तेरी करवाल को, प्रतिबट कटक कटीला केटी काटी काटी कालिका से किले के कले उदेती काल को. So let's enjoy Indian culture also. Thank you, everyone.
Very nice. Sita, please, if, let's hear something from, why don't you also come up with something? We haven't heard you the whole evening.
Well, Sunita, once in a while, it's best not to say much and to listen more. That's a very good policy of life. Just want to add a little to Shloka's performance, which, was in the introduction. See, she was, the title of the performance is called Krishna Shabad. The Naika, the dancer, is in love with Krishna. Like so many women were in love with Krishna. And she says, come to me, and tells him how she will entertain him for that evening. She says, I've got fresh sandal paste. Now you see the rolling motion on the ground. She is rolling the sandal blocks of wood to get the paste. And she says, I will anoint you with sandal paste. And I also will offer you the choicest of pans made out of betel leaf. That was the entire piece. That was what the entire piece was about. And it was an ode to Krishna, and it was called Krishna Shabdam. So anyway, this has been a very nice evening, and good to see everyone in such great spirits, bringing out everything that is foremost in their minds and hearts. And I've really enjoyed it very much indeed. Thank you.
Thank you, Sita. Rajni ji, would you like to say something?
Talent in our Rotary, absolutely enamored by the talent we have in our Rotary. Dr. Bali, Mrs. Dhingra, everybody who sang, I think it was beautiful. And I really, really enjoyed my evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. So everybody can be unmuted, and please What about you, Anita? Anita, would you like to say anything? Some words from the birthday girl, some words of wisdom.
She's enjoying
Hi,
the day.
Sunita, no words of wisdom. I think it's been a rocking party. And I'll say cheers to all our participants. Fabulous show, enjoyed it thoroughly. We all
Cheers. Cheers,
talented,
Anita.
but today they did us proud. So cheers to our club.
Cheers to our club.
Okay, so Indraji, anything? So Indraji?
So Inderji, unmute kariye.
And you've been all through, and that's how you made the year so wonderful. You made sure that something or the other always happens, that we all enjoy our time, whatever we had to go through. You've taken us on travels to Calcutta, to the Durga Puja, to Ladakh, to Srinagar, to Italian cooking. My God, the variety of programs that has really kept us going. And many, many thanks to all the members who've been so kind and gracious and always lent their support and encouragement to me. I was very lucky to be part of this family. Very lucky.
Thank you, Sundarji. Actually, after a very long time, I'm seeing Lalit ji and Sunita. So why not have, Sunita, please unmute yourself. Let's listen to your forgotten voices.
My dear, we've been missing you out a lot. We are missing you, the meetings, but we are with you in soul and memory. And we've enjoyed this evening tremendously, seeing all the talent. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Thank you ever so much, Sunita. Thank you, Surendraji. Lovely, lovely. Thank you, my dears.
We're going to carry on to the next president now.
And Deepak, we see you, but we don't hear you.
No, I'm listening. I'm overawed by all these brilliant people around me. So I will just keep listening, Sunita. And Sunita, I must congratulate you. Between you and Jyoti, you've done a magnificent job. Well done. And I was hugely impressed by your own performance. Superlative. Thank you.
Absolutely floored by it. Absolutely.
Pradeep, you can't be in the dark like that and then suddenly sort of spring up at the end of March. So just make yourself visible and also audible. Pradeep Verma, our Verma and Verma company.
उसके संग मुझे क्यों लपेट रही हो?
नहीं, वो वर्मास अपने अलग ही वर्मास है.
नहीं, वकील और accountant बड़ा deadly combination है यार.
Okay. Anyone else would like to say anything? Please.
I would like to say what Ajay ji. I remember when I called Ajay ji, I said, Ajay ji, how are we to do? How are we to collect the funds? What are we to do? This is our intention. How should we go about it? I only remember one sentence that Ajay ji said. He says, I am not the person who sits and asks for money, but I'm not doing this thing. But this is the time. Please come forward. And believe me, everybody came forward within 4 days. And I told Ajay ji, I said, you're the mover and shaker. Look at what
No. It's the club. It's the club. It's the club.
Every member there to be so supportive. So. And thank God we've been able to do our club proud, and we've been able to do these whatever we could to the betterment of the people here.
Pragyan, would you like to say anything?
My dears, I need to leave. My battery's gone. My iPad battery, I need to leave. Thank you.
Okay, bye, Sunita ji.
Thank you, Sunita ji.
Pragyan, anything?
Yeah, good evening.
Pragyan, you have the permission of Mandakini to speak?
Yes, absolutely. Finally.
But don't sing. Don't sing.
That's why I have avoided. So actually, I wanted to thank Sunita ma'am for carrying this year so well, actually. I mean, there is hardly anything that there's no words for us to, thank her. The way she's carried and entertained all of us throughout the year, as Nabha ma'am rightly mentioned, is just phenomenal. The way she curated the entire shows, right from Durga Puja to the Italian cuisine and everything. Especially today's show, she's put in so much of effort, just phenomenal. Thank you so much, Sunita ma'am. The year wouldn't have been as good as it has been without you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sunita.
Anyone else? Anyone else would like to say anything before we wind up? So I suppose let's call it a day. What about Deepa? I saw Deepa. Deepa, are you there? Or Deepa, have you left? Deepa?
Yeah, Deepa's left. Deepa's just left.
Sandeep, I hear you. No.
Sandeep has left.
Sandeep has left. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So then we say good night, everybody.
And a thank you to everyone.
And thank you very much, Rajiv. Rajiv, but for you, otherwise nothing would have been possible. Thank you very much, Rajiv.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sunita.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sunita. Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you, Jyoti, and thank you.
Nice to see Sue B. How are you? I hope Dalhousie is
I'm
looking after you
well,
well.
and all I can say is it's a